In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy Shopify themes. Now this is pretty easy, guys. You just want to head over to a Shopify dashboard, and in here what you want to do is you want to select your online store, find themes, and scroll down a little bit, and you should see some you have in here, and then you can press visit the theme store. This will take you to this page in here, and then what you can do is just look for the ones that you want, and you can see the prices of them right here. So you can just scroll down, you can filter up here if you want to, and then you can just select if you want the paid or the free ones. So select the one that you want, and let's say you want this one, then simply select this, and you can just try it first, and you will also be able to buy it straight from in here. And it will also give you some recommended ones down here, and you can click on them and simply just try it here, and you will be able to buy it after. Now that is how this works, guys. It's super simple and really easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.